Hello everyone, welcome to Site Study. My name is Priscilla Sawabwedi. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to lay floor tiles on site or in the room, a step-by-step procedure. So the materials we'll be needing 600 by 600 mm floor tile. Our mortar mix is a ratio of 1:4, and our floor area is 20 square meters. So with the ratio being 1:4, we'll be using 4 bags of cement, 16 headpans of sand, and our adhesive is HPMC. We also have clean water. Our sand has already been poured. We begin by introducing the adhesive, that is the HPMC, into the mix, followed by the cement. The tiler gives it a good mix until the mortar is uniform in texture. The HPMC, which is our adhesive, plays a critical role in the mortar mix. It improves bonding between the mortar, the tile, and the screeded floor. It also serves as a thickener, a water retention agent even in hot weather, and improves setting time, wetting, and trolling ability to get the right mortar consistency. We also wet the screeded floor to prevent it from absorbing moisture from the tile mortar. This ensures proper hydration and bonding. Moderate amount of mortar is then applied to the screeded bed. The tiler removes the tiles from the box and applies mortar to the back of the tile. Each tile is placed carefully on the mortar bed, then tapped with the tile hammer to ensure proper posture and bonding. He uses a leveling tool to confirm alignment with surrounding tiles. Excess mortar is wiped off to maintain a clean, neat finish. This process is repeated tile after tile until the entire room is fully tiled. For edges and tricky areas, the tiler marks and measures the required length or shape, then cuts it with a tile cutting machine. The cut tiles are also used for skirting. Skirting refers to the tiles placed along the bottom perimeter of the walls, typically at a height of 100 mm. The same mortar mix and laying process is used for the laying of the skirting. And this is the final result of our floor tiling process. Quality materials, checked. Correct mix ratio, checked. Proper leveling, checked. Clean aesthetics, checked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more on-site construction tutorials.